So we'll do the unboxing for the Pelican 3315R. Here in this you will get the foldable torch is there, and there are the instruments with the rechargeable. There are the rechargeable batteries are there. Yeah, there is a battery slot is there inside here. Even with that torch you'll get the hook, and in this you'll get the 3 modes are there basically. And here you can see there is a small flashlight mode is there, article head, high, low and flash modes are there inside, and that will be the rechargeable and So in this you'll get the light of luminous of 132 to 15 luminous, and the range will be 108 m to 35 m. So even this torch is a waterproof, and it is satisfied for the classic 1 and division 1.